Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I want to do a big warning to all Facebook users out there. Facebook has been increasingly crappy with all the news feed that they have been actually posting so many crappy links of all sorts of things that we just don't care and don't want. And that's not counting all the new stuff that AI has been doing that now is being posted where, oh, well, I built this, but nobody liked it. Or, I'm 5 years old. Nobody wished me happy birthday today. It's like, these are all fake robot pages. And almost everything in them is not even real. It's totally fake. You look at different things. There was one that went through today. Two little kids that they're two twins that are holding a little cake. They're 1 year old, and they're 1 year old, and they're in the snow, standing up, holding a cake. How many of you know a 1 year old kid that can be so good at holding a cake and standing up in the snow at just 1 year of age? I mean, this is crazy. Anyways, a lot of things like that. But I want to actually have you even more aware of some of the pages that actually have been able to go through a lot of that Facebook crap. And look, they bring up these, protection pages as these pages are reported unsafe. And this is directly from a link on a crappy story on Facebook that I clicked, and it shows you here that the Windows Defender Smart Screen has actually flagged this page as being unsafe. And of course, if you have any other app or any third-party solution that can flag pages, you'll notice that a lot of them could be flagged. So this is becoming a real problem, and it's actually telling me that we absolutely need something else than Facebook to continue on. Facebook is getting crappier and crappier all the time. And if it wasn't for me, if it wasn't that it actually has a really big link with a lot of friends and family, I would be getting out. I am more and more annoyed at Facebook all the time. So be extremely careful. Tell everyone around you that all of the posts going through right now are, in a big majority, fake posts, and not to click any of them, as not to compromise yourself with malware or going to a web page that can scam you. So be very, very aware. Share this video with all the people you know that are on Facebook so that they are aware of this situation also. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.